Hey everybody, Barry here again. This video is going to be a little bit different. I've been working on the van the last couple days, working on the engine, but I'm going to have to schedule this one way earlier because I've been waiting like a month. Well, it's been like a week and a half, but it feels like a month. And a little bit of backstory before we get started, because this is going to be like an unboxing surprise video, which I've done before, and I'm super excited about this one. So Jorge Sierra has been watching since pretty much the very beginning. Him and I talk every day. And if you remember, he's the guy who bought me the PAC 1218 valve springs. And what goes along with valve springs? Who knows? La chopstick. So he messaged me a little while ago and was like, hey man, I'd like to buy you something. It's like, okay. Of course Cass would interrupt my video. She just wanted to drop off snacks. Okay, so that's enough talking and not looking at cool car parts. I'm gonna set it up on a tripod and see what we got here. Alrighty, let's check this thing out. I haven't even opened the box. I have not cut the tape. I didn't want to look at this without you guys here. This is well packed. Wow. These guys did not want this damaged. Oh, that's one side done. I'm too excited to just unravel it. So this came from the folks at Michigan Motorsports, the same place that the springs came from. And that's just an invoice. And look at this. That's a good start. It's an Elgin. Cam card is here. We'll look over that in a second. And it says fragile, so that means it shouldn't be in my hands. Because there's nothing fragile about what I do. But I'll try. Ooh, look at this thing. What does this say? Nothing important. Probably wash it before I put it in. Nice. So let's lay this thing aside and read our cam card. Man, that is a chunky boy. Where is the cam card? Here it is. Hey, and here we can see that the lift is 595 on the intake and exhaust. And the duration is over here at 238, 242. That is going to be seriously chunky. And the part number on this one is the Elgin-1841-p. Anybody knows the famous sloppy stage 2 cam is Elgin-1840-p. This is 1841-p, which is sloppy stage 3, which is like rat rod material. It's never had a big cam in it before. I had an LS1 cam in the 5.3, and everything else was always bone stock. Never had a big cam. And this is super, super, super exciting. To have like the biggest cam that those springs can hold. The springs are rated for 600 lift, 595. We got 5 thousandths of lift to the left over. That's not a whole lot, so they're pretty much maxed out. And I expect this to be absolutely wild, especially with the high revving, short stroke. Yep, definitely going to be awesome. Man, this thing is so pretty. Just give it a quick inspection. No damage or dings, nothing like that.
Doesn't appear to have any flaws or deficiencies. It's a little bit dirty looking, but that's been inside this cardboard box. And I'll clean that up really, really well. This is beautiful. So it's a 1X camshaft,
which would only work obviously with Gen 3, but if you wanted to put this in a late Gen 3 or a Gen 4 engine, you just need a 1X cam gear, which I'm going to be using anyway because this is a Gen 4 block. This is one of the last pieces of the puzzle. I need a China throttle body, just a 4-bolt for the Trailblazer SS intake, and a guy messaged me today and said he's got one for like 120 bucks. So if I could get it locally and have it in a couple days time versus spending the same amount of money and have it in 2 months from China, I'd much rather do that. So it's time for me to really start getting this thing put together. And I just wanted to say thanks so much to Jorge for that. That's a major, major piece of the puzzle. I had an LS7 cam that I was going to put in, which is, it's a bigger cam than stock, but it's still fairly mild. Like, it has good idle quality. It's got low end, it's got high horsepower or whatever. It's no sloppy stage 3. And I wanted to say thanks to all the new subscribers and everybody checking out the channel. And there's like a pile of new people. So just hit over 4,200. Super crazy exciting. I don't even know where everybody's coming from, but hi. Let me know who you are. Let me know if you got any projects on the go, because I love seeing that stuff too. And if you got a YouTube channel, let me know, because I would love to give you a shout out for checking out the channel and for everything that you guys do for me. There's been a lot of people contribute to the channel, whether it's parts or helping share the channel, and to my YouTube members, and also Patreon. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, it is patreon.com/stationroadratrods. I just wanted to say that this whole YouTube thing is doing okay. I'm really, really happy where this is going. I'm like way ahead of where I expected to be at any point in this whole YouTube thing at all. I've actually made a little bit of money at it, which is like awesome because I can put it back into the channel. Like, finally, I replaced my like 10, 12-year-old Acer laptop and finally could afford to buy this thing, which is like way faster, and it can actually keep up with the HP Tuner software, and I can have the scanner and the editor open at the same time. Like, this is a whole new world to me. So thanks again, and thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.